Hi guys, welcome back to my page. Please like, share, and subscribe for more Chorokyu videos, 164 Tune cars, and other car toy brand. So anyway guys, I have this a little bit 8 months I think in my collection of Chorokyu. And this one is a standard size also. It's Chorokyu Q Steer guys, but I bought this as a loose and not running because of the battery is expired and I don't have the remote. I just bought this one for additional for my display of Chorokyu. And second of all, it's a unique, it's a Chevy Corvette guys. Let's see, it's all black like a Knight Rider guys. It's a Chevrolet Corvette guys. I think this is a C3, right? Okay, it's a C3. It's in real life guys, it's a year 2000 model of Corvette. As you can see, it has a 5-spoke standard wheels guys with a charcoal gray color and shiny tires guys without damage. Okay, and the detail guys is very good. As you can see, it has also a side markers as a US version. Okay, then at the bottom guys, it's a 2006 released by Tomi Takara Q Steer. So this is the motor and this is the battery, on and off switch. Okay, then it has also a coin slot at the rear and detailed stoplight. It says Corvette C3 C.D band Q Steer. So even though it has no what they call this, remote control, and this is not a functional RC, still in very good condition and another additional for my display of American muscle cars guys, that made by Chorokyu. Okay, so again, this is a standard size Chorokyu. It's a Q Steer and it's a Chevy Corvette C3 guys, released in 2006 by Chorokyu Takara Tomy. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you like my video. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.